Slim and lift your nose naturally. My secret nose lifting routine. Let's do it. Place both middle fingers at the top of your philtrum. Apply light pressure and glide your fingers straight up the side of your nose bridge. Then gently trace that same path back down to the starting point. Repeat this movement 3 to 5 times. Next, take your index fingers to the inner corners of your eyes. Apply light pressure. Glide down the bridge of your nose on both sides. Repeat this motion a few times. Using your index fingers, massage side to side with a light pressure. Slowly move upward until you reach the inner corners of your eyes. Repeat this motion a few times to release sinus pressures and depuff the area. Now let's use our index fingers to massage both sides of the nose. Apply light pressure, move in continuous circular motions. Do this a few times to help clear congestion and soften the surrounding facial muscles. Now place your index finger over your middle finger. We are going to use upward massaging motions. Start on the sides of the nose and sweep up. Move to the center of the nose bridge and sweep up. And then bring your fingers to the base of the nose and do one long sweep upward. Repeat this sequence 3 to 5 times. Now place both index fingers on your upper nose. Use a gentle outward to inward massaging motion, gradually moving down toward the middle of your nose, and repeat this sequence a few times. Now we will use a two-handed technique. Secure the base of your nose with the thumb and index finger of one hand. Using the thumb and index finger of your other hand, gently pinch the nose bridge, slide upward, releasing at the tip. Repeat this upward pinching motion 3 to 5 times. It will sculpt and define the shape of the nose. Bend your index fingers into a hook shape. Place your knuckle at the inner corners of your eyes. Apply medium pressure as you sweep outward, tracing right under your cheekbone. Finish by gliding up to your temple. Repeat this sweeping motion 3 to 5 times. Place both index fingers on the middle of your nose bridge. Apply light pressure. Glide them smoothly downward to the side of the nasal base. Repeat this downward motion 5 times to 10 times to help clear congestion and depuff the area. It relaxes a small, often overworked muscles along the bridge and base of the nose for a smoother appearance. Now let's use the index and middle fingers to apply light pressure to both sides of the nose. Hold it right there for a few seconds and then gently let go. Repeat this sequence 5 times to 10 times to help clear your airways and relax the facial muscles. Anchor the fingertips of one hand on your cheekbone. Place the index and middle finger of your opposite hand on the side of your nose base. Press gently in opposite directions. Release and repeat. Do this 5 to 10 times and then balance it out on the other side. Now let's focus on the middle of the nose bridge. Place your middle fingers right in the center and massage using light circular motions. Do this a few repetitions to help ease tension and open up the area. Now place your fingers flat against your cheeks, starting right at the middle of your nose bridge. Apply light even pressure. Glide your hands downward toward your smile lines. Repeat this sweeping motion 5 to 10 times on each side to help smooth out nasal labial folds. Use your middle ring fingers to glide from the base of your nose up to the inner corners of your eyes. Repeat this upward motion 3 to 5 times. Then start at the inner eye corners, glide up to the center of your eyebrow. Continue moving up the forehead, then swipe outward just above the eyebrow until you reach your temple. Repeat this entire sequence a few times. Use both index fingers to glide from the inner corners of your eyes downward toward the base of your nose. Repeat this movement 3 to 5 times to help depuff the area, soften your facial muscles. Take your index and middle fingers, place them just outside your filled room under the nose, glide them inward to the center. Do this a few times. It is such a great way to release tension, keep the mouth area looking smooth and lifted. It softens upper lip lines, relieves mouth tension. Take your index fingers, alternate massaging the tip of your nose upward a few times. From there, glide both fingers all the way up the nose bridge. Then sweep them right back down to the corner of the nasal base. Repeat this complete 3-step sequence 3 to 5 times. These alternating upward strokes at the tip help to temporarily lift, contour, and define the shape of the nose. Take your thumb and index finger, softly hold the very tip of your nose. Maintain this gentle pressure for a few seconds, taking a deep relaxing breath in and release. Repeat this simple hold and release motion few times to lock in that beautiful natural lift. Use your thumb and index finger to gently pinch the tip of your nose. Massage the area using light upward motion. Repeat this lifting technique 3 to 5 times or 10 times to help shape and define the tip of the nose. Seal your lips together. Bend your index finger starting from the center of your lips. Use your knuckles to firmly glide outward to the corners of your mouth. Repeat this sweeping motion 5 to 10 times to help smooth out fine lines around the mouth. Place one thumb and index finger softly at the top of your nose bridge, anchoring it lightly. With your free hand, delicately hold the tip of your nose. Squeeze very softly and hold a peaceful pose for a second and let go. Repeat this gentle motion a few times to awaken your natural beautiful features. Anchor your thumbs gently underneath your chin using your index and middle fingers. Start at the sides of your nose, glide upward with a steady pressure until you reach the inner corners of your eyes. Repeat this lifting motion a few times to encourage drainage and naturally sculpted look. Place your index and middle fingers along the side of your nose. We want to focus on upward lifting motion, massaging the area in a small continuous circles. Repeat this upward massage a few times to naturally lift the facial features and melt away any built-up tension in the center of your face. Massage in upward circles. Rest two fingers lightly just below your eye, anchoring the skin in like a gentle touch. Take 3 fingers and sweep them upward from your smile lines, gliding beautifully up the bridge of your nose. Repeat this peaceful lifting motion, allowing your facial muscles to completely soften and relax. Use your middle or ring fingers to massage up and down the sides of your nose. Next, glide up from the middle of your eyebrow across your forehead out to your temple. Finally, sweep down the sides of your face, behind your ears, straight down your neck to your collarbone. Do this entire sequence 5 times for an instant and full face detox.